Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and it's been quite a while since I've done a whatever video. So this is whatever video, I think number 5, and I'm just doing a little quickie here. Today I'm working in my sewing room slash annex slash exercise room, and I just finished up the other day this quilt top, and believe it or not, this was made from mistakes. A quilt that I'm making in my class, which I'll be showing on my vlog very soon. Well, actually, I just showed it on my vlog, I think. It's not quilted yet, but it will be soon. I had made a lot of these extra blocks, and by mistake. So I started putting them together, arranging them in an order, and I came up with this. So the sashing, which is the black stripes between all the squares, I figured out on my own with the help of YouTube and put that all together. So I just got back now from my trip to Ultimate Sewing, where I picked up my batting and my backing material. My backing material for that is this purple panel right down here, which I think will look quite nice. I'm also going to do the binding with that. And you can see here some other things laid out. This just came in the mail. I ordered from Craftsy what are called charm packs, which are 5 by 5 inch squares. And I ordered 3. Because they gave me a coupon for $25 off, which translated to $31 off whatever I bought, because I just joined Craftsy Unlimited. So I picked out some Cathay Facet, which is what I made my very first quilt out of, only this is a different pattern. And these other two are from a company I'm not familiar with, but I bought them because they are batiks, which are really nice material. And they threw in a couple of spools of Prima thread, absolutely free, which is nice. I think they got a promotion going on with this, but that's okay. I'll take them. They were free. And the other thing I'm doing in here, as you can see, I've got this piece of material over here and this piece of material here. And basically what I'm doing is I'm piecing together all of my scraps from other quilt projects. And my idea here is that I'm going to get some more material that I can make, or more fabric that I can make and into another quilt, a crazy quilt, or I'll cut these up into large squares and figure out their placement, and it may become the basis for a quilted sewing bag that I want to design and make. And I want to make a fairly large bag with a zipper on the top so that I can put my longest rulers into the bag and zip it up, close it up, along with my table, this little extension table that goes with my sewing machine. So when I go to sewing classes, I can pack them all into one bag. And of course, I'll probably put some pockets on it as well. But I'm not really sure whether these pieces that I'm piecing together right now are actually going to be part of the bag, or if, when I get these done, they might become the basis for another quilt. So anyways, whatever it's going to be, I'm enjoying it. In fact, to the point where I'm really not as interested anymore in scrapbooking, paper crafts, and art journaling. I'm still doing those as well, but I keep going over to my sewing machine every day. I'm really enjoying this. So anyways, that was just a quickie little view to let you know what I'm up to. And yeah, I'm sure you'll see whatever I create these things into in the near future in one of the vlogs or one of Stephen and Walter Live. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.